Hey everyone, welcome back to the Open Coder. Today I'm going to be going over a quick intro to the basic concepts of Drupal and how we can use it as a data modeling platform. So Drupal is a content management framework, similar to WordPress, but way more involved and has different use cases. It's better for large organizations working with lots of different kinds of data that we need to link together. Today I'm going to be going over creating a content type, and then how to use that content type to insert data in your website. So first we're going to start by going to structure. And if we go to content type, you can see I still have like the article, basic page content types, but I added this course type, faculty type, and room type. So we're going to add one for students. We'll just name it student. This is the student. And we'll just have the title field be first name, last name. We can leave that. And then what we'll do is we don't really care about having the body. Doesn't apply here. And then we'll add a new, just plain text for we'll say their student ID. And then max length will be leave them like 10 spots. And you can only have one. So we only want them to have one unique ID. We don't want default value. We don't really care about help text since I'm only going to be using it. And then we can add another field for, let's say, we'll just do another text. We'll say maybe. Same situation. We'll say like 120 characters and save settings. So now what we can do, we've made this type student where the title is their first and last name, they have an ID, and they have a major. Now when you go to content, you're gonna add content to the site. So we're gonna make a new student. We'll say open coder, first and last name, their ID is O FSC or something, 1, 2, 3 or something. And then their major is information sciences, technology. So once we save that, it'll take us to the page. You can see we created this whole content type that can take in this data and save it to a database that's related to all of our other types. So we have the open coder, we have their ID, and this is all saved, their major, this is all saved in an SQL database connected to this. So you can look at some of my other content types. So for the rooms, I linked them to different classes. So say there's a class or a room in Westgate E201, and we see that's in Westgate, we have the room number, and then we can see what course is taught there. And then if we click on the course, it's linked together in the database so that this comes up. Cyber 432 is taught in there, and you can see the instructor and the course title. So yeah, that's basic workflow of modeling your data and creating content in Drupal. So thanks, and have a great